How to fix Best Buy app not loading. In order to fix the Best Buy app not loading, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, launch Open Settings onto your device. You could locate network and internet and simply check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. So here you could also switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi as well. And while you're in the same section or the settings page, you want to go to apps, locate Best Buy, and there you can go to storage and cache, and make sure to tap on clear cache. This can also help you out as well. Now that you've done this, what you could also do is the other thing. You will simply close the app and you want to go to your app store, type in Best Buy and locate whether the app is updated to the latest version or not. Despite doing all these, if you still face issue, you just want to make sure to completely close the background running app and then hold on to your side button and then restart your device. This should definitely help you fix. If nothing works out, then you could simply uninstall your Best Buy app and reinstall it. That can also be able to help. So these are some of the ways you could fix Best Buy app not loading. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.